how to turn on or turn off complete threads from Mail app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on Mail. Then swipe up to go down and tap on complete threads. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. So what is complete threads? Now this setting groups email messages into threads even if they originate from another mailbox. And that's it. So if you like to use this feature, you can switch it on. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.